Hi there. Today I am going to touch on preparing for open houses. The market is very different than it has been for the last couple of years. For a while, we weren't even allowed to do open houses during the pandemic, and because the market was so hot, most of the time a lot of listings didn't even have time before they got an accepted offer to do an open house. We are now at a different place market-wise where we are allowed to do open houses again, but also days on market had started to go up, and the market's cooled a little bit to the point where we do have time for open houses, and we can really take advantage of them at this point to maximize the home's activity and offers. So that being said, what can we do to prepare for an open house, and how do you really get your home ready to take advantage of an open house so that you get as much activity as possible? First thing that I always recommend is get your home show ready. So what does that look like? We have other videos about this, but decluttering your home, the less clutter, the better. And the less things, I always say surfaces and floors, on your surfaces and floors, it's going to make your whole house look brighter and look bigger. So anything on surfaces and floors that you can clear is ideal. Also, not having any strong smells like plug-ins and odorizers is very helpful. For smells, we recommend diffusers. Lemon, very calm and light smells are very helpful, but they are light enough that it doesn't prompt people with allergies to have reactions, and it doesn't distract from the house. So first thing, making sure your surfaces and floors are cleared, making sure that any distracting smells are removed and replacing them with something like a diffuser to again allow for a very calm and very appealing environment. And then making sure all of your windows are open. As much light as you can get into the house, the better, because again, that makes the house feel bigger. The last thing I recommend is your curb appeal. When an open house is being done, there's signage at different ends of the road, in front of the house, and a lot of the activity that you get, although it's also found online and through all of the marketing that we do on social media and all of the websites, you're also going to get drive-by activity. So curb appeal is going to be huge when enticing people to stop and come through the home. Again, the main items you should focus on and you should touch on: your inside, making sure that it's show ready with all of your surfaces and floors cleared, making sure that you have a nice smell in the home, making sure your windows are open and that it's bright, making sure your curb appeal is as best as it could possibly be, which again, we've done videos on that, but that includes things like, if the season is right and is appropriate, planting flowers, making sure you have some colorful pieces outside, whether it be furniture or flowers, to make your outside pop. Mulch, if again, this is all if the season allows for it, spring or summer, even into fall. If you can mulch, if you can get some flowers outside or some patio furniture to really make it pop color-wise, that always helps. Feel free to contact us with any questions. And when it comes to open houses, if you're trying to prepare or if you have questions regarding what that might look like and how to take advantage of it during this time, again, feel free to reach out.